In this video I will show you how to report an issue in Visual Studio. People like to report issues in Visual Studio to make sure that developing software is easy and smooth. This helps make Visual Studio better and benefits the community, making other developers aware of the problems. Let's report a problem using Visual Studio Installer. Go to Search and type Visual Studio Installer and select it from the list. Let Visual Studio Installer load completely. Then click on Profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on Report a Problem. Then click on the Sign In button. Then provide a credential. Then provide the title, description, and a screenshot of the issue, and then click on the Submit button. Now let's look using Visual Studio. Go to Search and type Visual Studio and select Visual Studio from the list. Click on Profile icon at the top and select Report an Issue from the drop-down, and you will get same screen as before. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.